All right, guys, just a quick little video. Just got a package, an order from Viktos. Do a quick little unboxing, little opening. Got a cameraman today, so in each package they send you some pretty cool stickers. But packing list. What we got here? Of course, I know what we got, but let's see what it looks like. All right, so been wanting one of these hats for a while. Finally decided to order one. It's kind of an unstructured hat. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it fits pretty good. I like it. So we'll see that. And then what we got here? The Viktos war-torn boot. So again, looks pretty good. I like the different color tones. It's darker than what it looks like on the website. On the website it looks a lot lighter, a lot more yellow, like tannish, but it's actually a pretty dark coyote color, which is really cool. So there we go. I'll have a review up at some point for these, but these are my initial thoughts. They look pretty good. I'm excited. Thanks.